Thank you for stopping by and welcome to the channel. In today's video we'll be going to Peyto Lake in Banff, Alberta. Though they don't have a parking lot for cars here, so you have to park on the side of the road. So the parking lot that they do have is for buses. So we never knew the parking lot was for buses only. I just want to show you how long the line can get. Before, when we were on the highway, it was pouring rain, and now it's slowing down. So don't get discouraged if you're going out on a hiking trail, because the weather over here changes on a dime. You'll see later in the video how the weather changes. And this is the parking lot for the buses.
Arriving at Peyto Lake Lookout Banff National Park on the right.
So coming up on my right where the van is, that's the entrance to the hiking trail, which will take it to Peyto Lake. So let's go look for a parking spot. Hopefully we'll get a close spot. We lucked out. It's Peyto Lake, everybody's parked along the side. It's open. There's no parking lot, only for buses. So we gotta look for the trail. See how far it is. My knee's sore. So up ahead the trail will split. If you go to the left, you'll go to a 2.4 kilometer loop trail. We're gonna go right, and it'll take you right to the panorama view of Peyto Lake. Especially since we're not in good shape. Peyto Lake is a glacier-fed lake in Banff National Park. It's not too far of a walk. It's nice and blue too, and the sun's coming out, perfect timing. It was cloudy, now it's getting to be sunny, so it'll be a nice blue color. Yeah, it's nice and blue, like a turquoise. Yeah, this is the famous view. During the summer, significant amounts of glacial rock flour flow into the lake from a nearby glacier. And these suspended rock particles are what give the lake a bright turquoise color. Lake. The color you see, that's how it looks.
We're going to be here all day.
here and the sun's not out, and then it's not a nice blue. And it is all uphill. And come this side and go right, go left, and then you'll be a longer walk. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Please subscribe, like, share, leave a comment, and I hope to see you in our next video.